guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we are lifting a 2007 to 2013 Chevy Tahoe, and it's one of the four-wheel drive ones. We are putting a 7.5-inch rough country lift kit on it, a set of 20 by 10 Helo wheels, and some 35 1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter mud terrain tires. Real simple install. You don't need any special tools. However, you will need to cut some of your cross members in the front, so you'll need a reciprocating saw, and then you'll need to drill a little bit. You'll need to drill where your sway bar links go on your lower control arm, and you'll need to drill for the new bump stops in the rear. Besides that, it's a piece of cake. However, in order to fit big tires on these Tahoes and Suburbans and Yukons and Yukon XLs, you will need to do a NorCal mod or a fender mod in the front. So, we'll have a video coming out showing you how to do that. Besides that, installing a lift kit, piece of cake, real simple. Any questions? Let me know.